Hi everyone and welcome to Wildix collaboration video tutorials. In this video we are talking about screen sharing. There are plenty of reliable screen sharing applications available that you can download, install and use. The problem is, it is still an external, a third-party application. It is not integrated into the system. You and your colleague will need to make sure you're using the same application. You will need to make sure it is updated to the same version and update it if needed. You will need to share the session password with your colleague. This is a waste of our precious time. And screen sharing component is integrated into Wildix collaboration to address this problem. To be able to share your screen, you need to download the component from Collaboration Settings extensions. Together with it, Wildix integration service will be installed if not done previously. And you need this one also for other services such as CDR View, Pop-up URL, Fax Printer, etc. In terms of the operating system, macOS and Windows are supported. Screen sharing can be started during a call, right from the call dialog. Click on the arrow down icon and then hit Screen. In some rare cases, you might want to share your screen during a chat without an active call. It's also possible. Open a chat room with that user and then click on the three dots located in the upper right-hand part of the screen, next to the video icon. Hit Screen. Let's see what happens on the other side. Our viewer is notified about the incoming screen sharing and they need to accept it. On the viewer end, it's not necessary to download or install anything at all. You can tell that the screen sharing is active because the screen icon is red in chat and also in your menu bar if you're using MacBook or from the task manager if you're using Windows. And this is where we can control our screen sharing options. For example, you can decide what exactly you want to share. You can select the monitor from which you would like to share the content, should you have more than one. You can also select to share a certain application and not your entire desktop. For that, click on Apps and then select the application. By default, remote control is disabled, so the remote user cannot take control of your desktop. You can grant this permission by ticking off Remote. Don't forget to stop screen sharing once you have finished your session. You can do it from the taskbar by hitting Exit, or you can do it in one click from our collaboration chat window by clicking on the red screen icon. One more note for MacBook users. On the latest version of macOS, you need to grant permission to Wildix screen share component to access your screen. You only have to do it once and you're normally prompted about it, but you can always check it in System Settings, Security and Privacy, Screen Recording. Make sure the box is checked off for Wildix screen share. And for remote control, open the tab Accessibility and make sure the box is checked for Wildix screen share. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our videos. See you in one of the next ones.